So here we are, KTM Superduke GT test ride. Looking forward to this. So we're just pulling into settle now, and I've noticed I've got an alarm here. Tyre pressure low. I'm going to pull over in a second. Let's. It feels okay, so I'm assuming I haven't got a big flat tyre beneath me. But I'll pull over in a couple of minutes and just see where we're at. Not what you want to see on a test ride. Nice feature nevertheless. Have it on the car but not on the bike, so yeah, I didn't realise I had that. That's cool. As I said, plenty of wind protection. I've had it in the up position. There it is, down, nice and easy. Don't think you need electronic aids for everything. It's more to go wrong at the end of the day, isn't it? You know, riding position, very comfortable. The legs, the feet, the bum, the back. I am feeling a little more weight on my wrists than I am expecting. I think I'm going to have a go afterwards of the KTM Adventure S, which is what my mate John Behind's riding at the moment. So that is the outright adventure bike, but again, same engine as this, so that'll be interesting. Doesn't sound as if John's enjoying the Kawasaki, so I think I'll pass on that myself. It's too much like the BMW.
What's your wind?
It's fine, it's nice. I've had it in the up position, like, but no, it's fine.
Yeah.
I don't. It's not as poised going through the corners as me BM.
Wow.
The front feels light for some reason. Going round, you know, when I'm pushing through a fast corner, it just, you know, you got that sort of feel when it sort of it floats like that. That torque is gorgeous. It's rich and it comes through. But I think when you get over that sort of first sort of 4,000, 5,000 revs, it's on a par with the Beamer. But the Beamer needs that extra revs to kick in. That's quite cool with the right angled valves.
Yeah, I've got them on there.
That's good. So we're all refreshed. I've just put the bike into sport mode on the suspension. So on reflecting on the first bit of the ride over a bit of lunch, wasn't too happy with the front in, through and out of some of the fast bends. It just felt a bit loose at the front, so I'm going to see how that changes it. But that is the only negative thought I had after the bike. It's a really super bike, but let's see how the return trip goes. Exhaust sounds gorgeous, and that's with a stock can on it.
It would be louder than that with a decent can on it.
That sounds nice, that.
Put my can on that, my can would go onto that, but the noise is wonderful.
That sounds nice. What's the turn and circle like? That's better than the Beamer. I've still got the alarm lamp on for low tyre pressure. I had a look at it, looks fine though, so we're heading back to the dealership now, so I'm sure that'll be fine. There's a close-up of the TFT, everything you need. Fuel indicator, temperature, ride, damping, the various electronic aids. So yeah, here we go. Oh well, John's not happy with the Kawasaki. Not for him. Not for him. He actually said on a little bit of the ride back there that he struggled to keep up with me, which is interesting, because I don't think I gave it full beans anywhere on the test ride out. So that's interesting. Right, here we go. So yeah, just to sum up, I suppose, let me run through how I feel about the bike. Let's start with riding position and comfort. Perfect, absolutely gorgeous. Lovely sitting position. The pegs are a little bit set back, but more like the S1000 are, so feels natural to me and very, very comfortable. The handlebars are nice and wide. A little bit of weight transfer towards the front when going slow, but obviously as you start picking up the speed, that all moves away. Wind protection, yeah, the screen's in the high position now. No complaints whatsoever at average speeds, high speeds, all good. The seat, whilst firm, is comfortable. I'm loving the way the tank is scalloped for your legs just to get a grip on the tank. It just feels very natural, and mirrors very good. Yeah, so all round very good. The ride, I'm still not convinced that the front end doesn't turn in as well as my S1000 are. I thought it would be a little bit sharper, but I think on a positive, the throttling and the fueling is superb. That torque is luxuriously addictive. I think once it gets up to the sort of 4, 5, 6,000, it's on a par with the BM. So it's more that original pull-in away from junctions and pulling out of bends where you really enjoy it and get the benefit. Auto blipper and quick shifter, yeah, gorgeous actually. I was expecting that to be a bit more clunky just with having the V-twin, but no, really nice, chocolatey, gorgeously smooth. As I said, there's that torque, gorgeous. That's where this bike comes alive, overtaken with that torque. You just have to think overtaking, you're doing it. Gorgeous. Brakes, yeah, good. The initial bite doesn't give as much feedback as I'd like, but no, once the brakes are on, they stop you nice and progressively and firmly. All round, I think it's a gorgeous bike. Yeah, aesthetically, I think it's a stunner. Orange is my favourite colour. I've had the Repsol 5 blade. kitchen's orange, everything's orange in my life, so it sort of fits there. So yeah, would I go for one? Yes, it's a serious contender for sure. I think if I was going to do more than just a couple of tours a year, this is top of the list. I think if I was doing 1 or 2 at max, I think the S1000 is perfect for that. These bikes carry a bit of a price, sort of in the region of 16k, so there is a price premium over the likes of the Beamer, and I'm not quite sure you're getting much more for your money than you would get out of the Beamer. And then finally there's the KTM brand. I think it's a great brand. They've always been there. I think they've really come of age in recent months and years. I can see why people, once they've had the KTM, they stick with it. They've got a nice range. The dealership network isn't as good as BM. So yeah, thanks KT Motorcycles in Accrington for the test ride today. I'm going to have a chat with you when I get back with them. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe and like the channel. There's been a bit of a delay in getting content out because of illness in the family and weather and all that sort of bullshit. But if you like the vids, yeah, like and subscribe. Comment below. Bye bye now.